Welcome to channel Infinity Text. So in this video, we are going to check how to copy the text from your images without any specific tools. So it's a very simple. We just simply going to our image. This is my text image. I simply need to click on this. Then on the right click, there's the open with. Here we have a different type of options and we are going to use the snipping tool. If you don't find the snipping tool here, you can check from here. Here is your snipping tool. Simply go to the image, right click, open with the snipping tool. And here you go. Our image is completely open. It is a text image. Here we have a different type of options like if we want to highlight anything and something, if we want to crop, rulers, razors, all these things. But here we just need to copy the text. So here we have a copy button. We just simply need to click on this copy. And now we can test on our Word file. Just simply paste it here. Here you can go. Our complete text is copied from that image to our Word file and exact format and exact details are copied from here. So by using this simple step, you can easily copy your text from every image, any image if you want. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take care.